The hooking in method of adding beads to your knitting does not require any pre-threading, but you do need a bit of extra equipment for this method, so you can use one of two things: a fine crochet hook no larger than 0.75 millimeters, or a piece of floss. I like to cut mine fairly short, but you can leave it longer if you prefer. It needs to be the stiff kind of floss, so this is Oral-B Super Floss. I've cut off the stiffer end of the floss to use. I'm going to show you how to hook in a bead using both methods. Work to the point in the pattern where you are instructed to hook in a bead. This will be abbreviated in the pattern instructions, in my pattern instructions, as HB for hook bead, and it will either be as a worded abbreviation or it will be as a symbol on a chart. So to hook in a bead using the floss, slide the floss down through the middle of the stitch while it's still on the needle. Bring the two ends of the floss together and then carefully poke the two ends of the floss through the middle of the bead. Push the bead firmly down onto the stitch. I'm removing it from the needle first, pushing it down firmly onto the stitch and then slipping it very carefully back onto the tip of the left hand needle before removing it, and then you knit that stitch and pull nice and firmly so that the stitch sits nice and neatly. I'll repeat that once more. Work to where you need the next hooked bead, and then you repeat the same process. To hook in a bead using a crochet hook, you work as follows. Slide a bead onto the hook. Slide the crochet hook through the middle of the stitch. Grab it so that it's then on the crochet hook. Then you need to pull the needle through the stitch, and then without splitting it, pop that stitch back onto the left hand needle and then knit it. I'll repeat that once more. Okay, so there at the end of the row you can see the beads hooked in using the two different methods, one with a crochet hook, one with a piece of floss, and you can see they look identical as they sit on the knitting, and these beads are sitting vertically on a stitch.